she's coming to play. Skipping a beat when she takes to the street. What do you say when you can't look away? Trying to sweep from her head